guys, welcome to my channel. How's it going? I hope you're all doing really well. Today I've got an unboxing for you and it's one I was not expecting, which makes it even more exciting. And normally with these kind of ones I like keep it in the packaging that it came in, but I didn't even know what it was, so I was like, oh, open it, and it's a Glossybox. It's not been opened, it's all still sealed. So yeah, it is the Summer Essentials box. I was not expecting to get this, so I'm very excited. If you don't know, I get Glossybox in PR. I'm a member of their Glossy Circle, which is super exciting, and I love them. But all opinions are my own. If I don't like something, I'll tell you. And yeah, there's no point in lying because you guys know a bullshitter when you see one. And also when I lie, I do this. So yeah. Oh, it's very windy. Looks like it's going to be a storm. Also, I've got the baby to nap in his cot for the first time ever, so I'm hoping I can get this unboxed and show you guys everything in it before he wakes up. So this launches on Friday, which is what date? Friday the 31st of July. It's 9 AM launch for subscribers and it's £30, and then 12 PM launch for non-subscribers, £35, and it is worth over £95. So I'm very excited. I will leave all the links down below for you guys and we will get into this. And the sun, like the light is just changing so much. The sky is so dark outside, but then it's just really bright sunshine. So I'm apologising because I know there is a glare on my goggles, but oh my goodness, it's so cute. I didn't know. It's a little bag. Look, how cute is that? I love it. So, what else have we got in here? Get out of the box. There's a bit of paper at the bottom and I can't get it out. I was really anxious the other day and bit off all my nails. So, oh no, that's about something that's in the box. So this is the Summer Essentials kit. Oh, I'm so excited. So it says, hey Glossies, Summer Essentials Kit limited edition, housed in our gorgeous glossy pink collectible makeup bag. Prepare to discover 12 fabulous summery beauty products to get you through these sunny months. Inside you'll find deeply hydrating and refreshing skincare, lightweight and long-lasting makeup, as well as travel-friendly hair care to keep you looking your best no matter where your summer adventure takes you. Because we're allowed to travel now, aren't we? Although not to Spain. You can, but you can't come back. Or you can, but then you've got to self-isolate. They just keep changing their mind. So let's get in. This is so cute. It is jam-packed. Look at that. Wowzers. Okay, the first thing is Maria Nilla, which is what this card was about. They've got a discount code, which I'll put on the screen as well. And this is their Invisidry shampoo. So this says, this is a deluxe mini worth $12.99, full size is $18.99. This dry shampoo keeps both blonde and dark tresses looking and feeling fresh. Formulated with rice starch, it absorbs the excess oils from your scalp and makes your hair look newly washed. That is exciting. I love a dry shampoo. Let's give it a little sniff. Oh, that smells yummy. That's really lovely. That's the first item. The next item is a Bare Minerals Skin Longevity. I have got one of these on the go and I really like it. Are you gonna focus on that camera? I've had a lot of these over the years and they're really nice. Where is this? So this is a deluxe mini worth £7.20. This is a keep your complexion nourished and radiant all summer long thanks to this clean vegan serum formulated with Japanese long life herb extract. It will nourish your skin, making it look softer and more smooth and more glowy. It's a really lovely thing. I always have this whenever I go like to stay with my in-laws. I take this instead of all my moisturizers and stuff, and it's just a really nice little serum, and it does just make your face feel lush balls, so that's always nice to have. What are you? Ooh, Dr. Dennis Gross Alpha Beta Ultra Gentle Daily Peel, a patented 2-step peel with 3 acids. Oh, I love an acid. I love an acid. Come on, camera. You can do it. You can do it, camera. There you go. Good job, camera. I need a new camera. Any recommendations, please put them down below. This is A deluxe mini worth £8.90. 2-step gentle peel will give you your complexion its radiance back, blending AHAs, BHAs, antioxidants and vitamins. It lifts away dead skin and impurities to reveal an even looking calm dewy complexion. I will do a video on this because I do love a peel and I haven't done a skincare video in ages. There's 3 treatments in here and I'll use this tonight and I'll do a video on it. So there will be a video for this one in the next couple of days on my channel. Next up, oh, a Tangle Teezer, and it's on the go detangling hairbrush, smooth and shine. Oh, it's so pretty. I'm gonna just take it out of here. I can't ever get them out of the plastic. Just cut the plastic, cut the plastic. Oh, it's so pretty. It's got glittery pineapples on it. I love it. Tangle Teezers are so good. I use these on the girl's hair along with the wet brush. This is more for Ari's hair because hers is very, very knotty despite being very, very straight. So that is awesome. And then you don't end up, how many times, please let me know I'm not the only one, you go in your handbag to get a hairbrush and you shove one of these down your nail. Let me know in the comments how many people have done that, because I do it all the time and then it's just like, oh my god, it's so painful, and the tiniest little mark, but it hurts so bad. So painful. Right, oh my goodness, there's a huge bottle. What are you? Oh my god, it's like a unicorn. I'm gonna say something gross then. It's like a unicorn in a bottle. If you know what I was gonna say, comment down below. That is so pretty. It's Hawaiian Tropic Aloha Cocoa Fragrance Mist Shimmer Edition. Coconut and berry. Oh my god. This is, oh, okay, the Tangle Teezer, sorry, I'm like getting ahead of myself. The Tangle Teezer is full size and it is £14. So Hawaiian Tropic, this exotic shimmery body mist not only boasts a gorgeous coconut and musk scent, but is filled with biodegradable glitter that will give your skin a luscious sheen. Full size, £10. Oh my god, this is getting on my skin right now. Oh my god, it smells so good. And it has just got like, I don't know if you'll be able to see it because it's so bright in here, but it's like micro glitters in it. Oh my goodness, the girls are gonna love that. I'm gonna show them afterwards and they can be glittery unicorns. Got to do the other arm as well, so I'm like glittery on both arms. Oh, it smells so good. I love it. It's literally like, it's just pure glitter. You know what I was gonna say. I love that. That packaging is gorgeous. Exciting. Right, next up is a Palmer's coconut oil lip balm, which is always lovely. I do love a lip balm, and coconut is like my favourite smell at the moment. Where are you? Where are you? £2.49 full size. This balm is formulated with coconut oil, Tahitian monoi and tiare flower petals that keep your pout hydrated all day long whilst shielding it from the sun and preventing both chapping and cracking. And this has SPF 15 in it, which is lovely. What are you? An aloe soothing gel. Helica 99% aloe gel. That is so cool, that packaging. This is a deluxe mini worth £3.95. Formulated with soothing aloe vera, this refreshing lightweight body moisturiser boosts a cool formula gel that relieves sunburnt skin and helps to prevent peeling. That's really cool. I needed that a little while ago. I got so sunburnt and it wasn't even a sunny day. I was just getting drunk and at the park, not at the park, down the road with my friends, just sat all day, and it wasn't even sunny. It was so overcast and I got, you can't see it anymore, but I got so sunburnt. It was horrible and it hurt for like a week. So that will definitely be used. I've actually got an aloe vera plant that I chopped up and put some of that on. So yes, and I love the packaging on that. It's so cool. Next, so it's an OK Beauty. It's okay. A Juju edit. Juju edit. And it is an anti-jet lag mask with ceramides. Ooh, honeycomb fibre mask. I do love a face mask. You know what I feel about face masks. I love them. OK Beauty. This mask will give you a radiant glow back, formulated with aloe vera, hyaluronic acid and amino acids, vitamin B3 and sea kelp. It hydrates, plumps and brightens. And this is full size and £5. So that's lovely. There's so much in it. Right, what are you? You are a Lano Face Base the Aussie Fly Leave On Recovery Mask. Really pretty packaging. Love that colour. Reset and recharge your skin with this invigorating mask. It blends lanolin, mint and coffee to hydrate your skin, your dull dry complexion, and give it moisturised radiant glow back. This is worth £10. It's a deluxe mini. Full size is double the size and it's £20. That looks really nice. Apply a thick layer to your face. The skin may tingle. Remove any excess after 10 minutes or leave on. 99.2% natural ingredients. Ooh, it's sealed, so I can't do it. I'm not going to do it right now. Lovely stuff. Next up, we've got a Makeup Academy Super Satin Finish Lipstick Super Stylo in the colour Major. I'm going to open this because I want to see what colour it is, because it looks quite dark on here. It doesn't look like a very summery colour. Soft and creamy satin lippy with a touch of colour to your pout whilst keeping your lips luxuriously moisturised. Oh, so it's like a, I think it's like a lipstick lip balm. But that looks like quite a dark colour, which is, to me, that looks like an autumn colour, but we'll see. It still looks like an autumn colour, unless it's very sheer. No, it's not sheer. It's really nice and satiny though. Really pretty colour. I just wouldn't think that was a summer colour. I love the colour, and that's such a nice, that literally glided on. Like, I don't know if you could see how smooth that went on. I'll try and just, hard to show, but it like super smooth to go on. But yeah, I wouldn't say it was a summer colour, but very pretty nonetheless. Next up, oh, itchy nose, is First Aid Beauty. What are you? First Aid Beauty Ultra Repair Barrier Cream. In the hot and dry summer climate, this lightest air cream is a must. Filled with hyaluronic acids, my favourite, colloidal oatmeal and ceramides, it smooths, hydrates and strengthens your skin barrier. Deluxe mini is £6.36, which is what this is for 10ml, and full size is £30. Let's have a little look at that. Doesn't smell of anything. I'm just going to rub a bit on my hand and see what it's like. Yeah, it doesn't smell. It's gone in really easily. Oh, that feels really soft. Ooh, I got some soft skin. I like that. Yeah, there's no smell, which is nice, because sometimes when skincare on your face is very perfumed, it can be a bit overpowering, like around your nose. I love like lots of things that are fragrance, but I think stuff on your face can sometimes be a little bit too much. Ooh, next up is a nails ink, and it is Cheeky Bird. I love it. I love the name. A really pretty tropical green. You get two of these. There's this one, or Gimme a Peck, which is kind of like, looks like a coral kind of pink, quite a bright coral pink. Whether you receive neon pink hue or shiny turquoise, your polish will add a summery pop of colour to your cuticles. Achieve a professional looking finish with this iconic nails ink brush. This is full size and worth £15. Oh, I'm just going to paint a little tiny bit on my nail so we can have a little look and see what it's like. Because sometimes they don't, you need like 10 coats. And I did, as I said, I bit off all my nails the other day because I was anxious, and now I have no nails, which makes me sad because they were really nice and long. Really pretty colour. I think you probably could get away with one coat, but I think I would still do two, just as like, I don't know, I always do 2 coats of nail varnish. But that is a really pretty colour. Excuse my little stubby nail. And that noise was Fox. He is not awake yet. That is everything in the box. So it on the box, the little bag. So you get your makeup bag, you get all the stuff. I think my favourite is this. I love this. That's so cool. And it's completely like absorbed into my skin, and it has just left me with a really nice shimmer. But it is full on glitter. I'm not going to lie. It is full glitter all over my arm. And if you don't like full glitter, then you won't like it. But it is literally just glitter in here. But it's biodegradable nice glitter, so it's fine. And then this one. This might not be my favourite after I do the video on it, but I will do a video review on this tonight. I'm a little bit scared because it's a peel, but it says help smooth fine lines, minimise the look of pores, and improve the appearance of uneven tone and texture. And that is just my face, so we're going to give it a go. But yeah, that is the box. It's on sale on Friday the 31st, 9 AM for subscribers, £30, 12 o'clock for non-subscribers, £35, and it's worth over £95. So yeah, limited edition. It's gonna sell out really fast. They always do. But yeah, if you like these videos, please do give this one a big thumbs up. You should definitely subscribe to my channel for more fun stuff to come. I'm currently running a giveaway. I'll link it up here or up here, I'm not sure, somewhere. It's an international giveaway for lots of face masks, so head over and enter that. But yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you all very soon. Bye guys.